24 is a doozy. Cecil set this one up to sort of give you a challenge. Okay, we look at it, we see a trinomial, we got to break it down, but the A value is a 2, and in the bottom it's a 3. That means we're going to have to do a busting B problem here. So to bust B, so we're going to tackle this guy right here. We're going to bust B. How do we do that? I'm going to start with 2 times 18. 2 times 18 is 36. Now I'll break down the multiples of 36. 1 and 36, 2 and 18, 3 and 12, 4 times 9. Wow, this guy's got a bunch of buddies. 6 and 6. Now, we're going to bust 15 down. Which of those will combine to give us 15? 3 and 12. So that problem, we'll do it, let's do it down here. We're going to go 2x squared plus the 15x breaks down into a 3x plus 12x. So that's why we call it busting B, because we just busted that 15 into a 3 and a 12. Now we group the front two, we group the back two, and we're going to factor out here. The only thing that factors out here is an x. That's it. So we're left behind with a 2x plus 3. What factors out here? 12 and 18. Ooh, they got a 6 that can come out. And we'll be left behind with a 2x plus 3. So we know it breaks down to a 2x plus 3 times x, the front piece, plus the 6. So that's who that guy's going to be. So he's going to be an 2x plus 3 times an x plus 6 over, we now got to do this guy. So we need to multiply again the 3 and the 6. So let's come over here and do it. 3 times 6 is 18, right? What multiplies together to give us 18? 1 and 18, 2 times 9. Oops, 3 times 6. We need to bust that 19 up. Well, it looks like it's going to be the 1 and the 18. Okay, so we have 3x squared plus 19 is going to break down to a single x, 1x plus 18x's. That's what B busted down into, x plus 18x. And on the back side, we have a 6. So now we group and group. Out will factor an x. I have 3x plus 1. Here, what will factor out? A 6. And I'm left with 3x plus, magically, 1. So this guy's going to break down to a 3x plus 1 times an x plus 6. That's what will be on the bottom here. 3x plus 1 and an x plus 6. Notice right away that guy and that guy are going to cancel. We already know that. So go ahead. Woo, woo. See you later, buddy. Because they're the exact same number. Now, let's deal with this. Division means we're going to change it to multiplication, and these guys are going to flip. Okay, so 8x plus 12 goes to the bottom. What it's going to factor out of that? A 4. And it'll leave a 2x plus 3. 4 times 2x is 8x. 4 times 3 is 12, so it takes care of that. Now this 4x minus 4 went up top. What factors out there? Obviously a 4, x minus 1. And here's what I say. I see right away, oop, 4 and 4 going away. Anything else now, top and bottom? Well, look, 2x plus 3 here, 2x plus 3 there, gone. Looks like what I'm left with is an x minus 1 on top, and in the bottom, a 3x plus 1, and that's it. Wow. That whole big thing up here is simplified down to just that. Now, we're not going to worry about what's excluded. Okay? We've already done that section. So I am super pleased if you can get here. You can see it's a lot of work. It's not that difficult if you just push through it. It just takes a little bit to get to your answer. We're doing things we already know how to do. We already know how to bust B, but we got to do it perfectly. And then once we get it, things just cross out and go away, and boom, simplify to a nice, pretty little answer.